What's up, YouTube? Right now, you're hanging with Mr. Jess. I know I'm looking kind of crazy, y'all. I know. I just washed my hair, man, and I need to trim myself up. But this is a video about how to get the best green screen, y'all. You can see around my room, man. I put in a lot of money to get like the best green screen for me to blend in my gaming system, man. And I failed, y'all. As you can see right here, you do not need that much light, y'all. You see in the background, my room is kind of dark. I just got one light on. But you can see that light right there. I paid for to get that light right there because it had high voltage. And I paid for these two lights back here for the background. And I got a light up here. And you don't need all those lights, y'all. As you can see in the background. What the heck is this? You can see in the background right here. Let me show y'all. Hold up. Let me flip it around. You can see me on the green screen right now, y'all. Looking perfect, y'all. I'm on my phone recording, so it ain't gonna look all that below, y'all. You don't see no green line. I had you go back and see all my old videos, y'all. I had a hard time, and it's the light I'm using right now, y'all. There's one light, y'all, right behind my camera, one light, y'all. This is the name of the product, y'all. I'm gonna explain it to you. I got it off of Amazon, but this is the product right here.
This is Relino LED Video Light, camera light for pictures, video recording with 4,000 mAh battery support, C-type USB power supply, CRI greater 95, 3200K, 5600K, photo light for outdoor photography, live streaming Zoom calls.
Yeah, I got that off of Amazon. I don't even think it cost that much. Let me see the price right quick, y'all. That camera is on sale, yo. Right now, I bought it for $39. It's 30% off, y'all. It's the original price is I think 56 or 59.99. So if y'all want that light and it worked good, y'all. Right now I got it at I think 47 watts or something like that. I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna put a clip to make sure. But you could turn the watts up even a little higher than that if I want to, y'all. But I'm gonna just keep it right here, yo, because right now it's looking real good on my green screen. No need for me to go higher, but you could go higher if you want to. But like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all want to see more videos. And I see you. Peace. I'm out. Oh yeah, and if you just want to put it on a little stand, you could put it on this. It come with this little stand, yo. I did have to buy another stand. As you can see, I had to buy another stand, yo, to go to it in the back, man. A tall one that's hook up to my dash, man. A dash attachment. I didn't use this because it was just too small. You know, my camera is kind of high on my monitor. Cause I got one of the big monitors. I think this is a 27-inch monitor, and so that's why I got that stand in the background. But all right, y'all, like, comment, subscribe, and I see you. Peace. I'm out.